I saw the new tune, whatever you had in it.
Yeah,
and
you
like
seen
this no prep surface too.
Oh yeah.
I think you need to get in on some of those small tire no prep things.
Nah, hell no. That motherfucker was spinning. I was just handling it.
Your chat needs to get you to do a race. We need to. I'll be in the crew. I'll help you with your tires or whatever you need help with.
Yeah.
Check pressure on something or.
Yeah, I'm finna. I'm finna buy a long anchor tire gauge.
I need a full track weekend where you go down and we race your car all weekend. And you go get you a first place trophy or something.
Okay.
Maybe take home a little cash for a daily driver or something.
Yeah.
You fuck up a daily driver class, dude.
Oh, you think so?
Yes.
Yeah, but people like Dwayne Biddle got daily drivers.
But yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can't fuck with Dwayne Biddle.
I believe in you, bro.
Man, fuck that belief ain't gonna push me to the goddamn front. Dwayne Biddle shit flying.
They can break. Can't
he got his buddy there too.
It's about the experience, ain't it?
Hell no. They got shit fast enough to let me hit.
Out of that, your chat's gonna get to compete. Let your chat go, man.
They gonna be saying, bet lookouts out first round.
No full pass. No, for real, that last pass was clean.
Oh, you like that?
A little loose, want that boost kicked in? But
yeah.
It caught it the whole way. It fed.
Yeah.
Did you have to lift it all?
Nah, I stayed in it. I stayed in it to see if it was
going. Like you stayed in it.
I stayed in it to see what it was gonna see if it was gonna try to get loose.
It looked really good, man.
Let me see. He said it looked really good. No John Wick top. We got Eric Alvarado in the building. Oh, they done pulled these things out, y'all. These banshees out, y'all saw it. Look out, y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, them the ones from last one. Oh yeah, I remember you. Yeah, they already subscribed, y'all. Look out racing, y'all. I'm in the building, y'all. They already on here. Oh shit, my bad, bro. Yeah. They already on here. I ain't seen them in a minute. Bucketown say other side. Left lane for the win, y'all. They done came back to Yello Belly. We're gonna make a pass in the caprice. I've been waiting on you. Y'all been.
I've been working.
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna make a pass in.
Okay.
Oh, they got them bills. Okay. Okay, yeah, Sean, tell them y'all Instagram. Put y'all Instagram in there one time for the one time.